AI agents repeatedly ship large source files, logs, tool output, and history to a model. That costs tokens and latency, but blindly trimming context can remove the one fact the task needs. nutsheLLM asks a safer question. How much context can we remove while preserving task performance? Each run keeps the task model, system instructions, sampling parameters, and user task fixed. The baseline receives the original context. On the optimized path, nutsheLLM first separates immutable facts from compressible material and disposable duplication. It sends only eligible text through PariTok's hosted GPU at an explicit safety level. Exact paths, errors, identifiers, timestamps, and measurements are checked before the task model runs, and deterministic task validation happens afterward. That isolates context as the intended variable and keeps PariTok savings separate from direct pruning. Savings are accepted only when the kernel survives. nutsheLLM begins with L2 compression. If an immutable span changes, that segment is restored immediately. If the answer still fails, the system steps down through L1, L0, and finally the original context. Every attempt and decision remains visible. The checkout incident is the clearest safety case. Accepted input stays at 2,477 tokens, savings stay at 0%, and every required fact still passes for a score of 100 out of 100. An honest zero is stronger than an unsafe headline. On repetitive worker telemetry, the optimizer removes heartbeat noise while preserving the line that matters. Worker 17 has 1.8% disk-free, below the required 5%. The action to drain that worker survives too. Input falls from 3,016 tokens to 857, 71.58%, with PariTok savings and direct duplicate removal reported separately. The React workbench and fast API orchestration ship as one Docker image on Railway. The public Apache 2.0 repository includes redacted evidence, tests, continuous integration, and the PariTok integration. Across 3 live scenarios, nutsheLLM achieved 52.2% median input savings with 100% deterministic passes. Compress the shell, guard the kernel, prove the answer. Your context in a nutsheLLM.